Hello guys, and welcome to Core Dev Lab channel. This is our last C language video. In this video, we will learn how to use constants, macros, and customize our own libraries. So let's get started. To simplify the reading of our code, we can use constants. For example, define pi 3.1415. So when can use the number 3.1415, only put pi. For example, printf %.4, because we have here 4 decimal place in pi. Put new line and if here semicolon and put here pi. Save and run the code. Printed 3.1415. So whenever we need to use the constant pi, just type pi. This procedure is valid of any type of constant that we want to create, but this value cannot be changed in the code. Remember, we have several types of variables that we can use, but constants cannot be changed. About macros. Macros are like simple and practical functions that we can create. For example, define square, open close brackets, x. After, we put space, open and close brackets, and put inside our function. For example, x curse x. Now, when call square and put the number, this code is executed. Changing here, we can see the result. Square, open and close brackets, and put inside the value, 2.5 for example. Save and run the code. And here we can see the result, which 4 decimal places. And the last task of this video is a creation custom libraries. When we have many functions linked to a certain context, such as example of the modularization of the calculator, we can greater than in a single file, which is still akin to modularization as well. Here we can create 2 files. calc.h and calc.c. The name is the same of 2 files. Here inside calc.h we will put if and def. If not defined, calc underline h underline define copy and pass here. Here we will put include double quotes calc.c, and here we will put end if. Inside here we will put the function we will use inside of calc.c. For example, int sum, int val a or val 1, int val 2. Only this. Copy, save, and paste here. Open and close brackets, return val 1 plus val 2. Format document, save. Now here we'll call the calc.h. Include double quotes, in this case, calc.h. And here we'll use printf. Printf %d sum, and place the numbers 3, 4. We can delete here, save and run the code. The result is here, 7. So when call the function is called here inside of calc.c. Here in calc.h and calc.c we can put all fundamentals functions of calculator. And with that, we say goodbye to this playlist. I hope you enjoyed the content and we always keep learning. Don't forget to like and share our content with your friends. See you next time.